वेलकम टू बलूच स्कॉलरशिप कॉर्नर। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल का बटन दबाएं ताकि हर आने वाला स्कॉलरशिप का इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को आसानी से हासिल हो सके। जो इसी तरह आप लोगों के लिए मैं हर आने वाला नया स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बनाता रहूँगा, आप लोगों को उसका नोटिफिकेशन आसानी से हासिल हो सके। वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ बलूच स्कॉलरशिप कॉर्नर। So today I gonna tell you that ADB Japan Scholarship Program, University of Tokyo, Japan, fully funded. This scholarship is announced in every year, so you must apply for this scholarship. It's a golden opportunity, don't miss it. ADB Japan Scholarship Program at University of Tokyo, Japan brings a huge opportunity for international students to pursue their master degree in Japan. Fully funded scholarship. This is the fully funded scholarship. You must apply for that. So let's check out the ADB Japan Scholarship Program 2021 details. The host country is Japan, host university the University of Tokyo, and the degree program is only a master mentioned. This scholarship is for master program only. Program of study: natural environmental studies, ocean technology, policy and environment, department of environment system, human and engineered environmental studies, social cultural environmental studies, international studies. Graduate program is sustainability science. ADB Japan Scholarship Program benefits. What are the benefits of this scholarship? This scholarship provide you full tuition fee, a monthly sustenance and house allowance, an allowance for books and instructional materials, medical insurance, travel expenses. All these facilities will be covered in this scholarship. Eligibility criteria for ADB Japan International Master Scholarship Program. What are the eligibility criteria? A candidate must be from ADB member country. ADB means Asian Bank Development Program. So this the country should be the member of this country, this program. A candidate must hold a bachelor or equivalent degree for a master program, at least 2 years of full-time with experience. A candidate should have proficiency in English communication skills. That means you should have the English proficiency, or if you don't have the English proficiency, so you can apply for IELTS test here. A candidate should be under 35 years old. A candidate should have good health condition. A candidate return to his country after the completion of the program. How to apply for this scholarship? I will tell you each and everything. I will provide the official and this scholarship link in the description, so you should click and check it out, the official link. Application form are updated every June from September enrollment. Then what are the document that required for this scholarship? Official academic transcript or attested photocopy, official certificate of graduation or attested photocopy, 2 letter of recommendation. You should get 2 recommendation letter from your previous institute. They will provide you. You should ask your previous institute. Documents would be dispatched for the following address. You should send these documents from this address. This is the complete address of that university which is providing a scholarship. So selection process. What are the selection process? After sending a complete set of application material, the university verify the qualification of applicant. Candidate who will be successfully selected may apply through GSFC from an Asian Development Bank Scholarship Program. This is the application deadline. The application deadline is 10th December 2020. Apply now. You can directly click here, apply now, or you should visit from official page. So let's check it out. What is the official page? What is mentioned in official page? So this is the official page we have visited. What is the Asian Development Bank Japan Scholarship Program, ADB Japanese? These are the all information about this scholarship. Department of Natural this is the Department of Natural Environmental Studies. All department are mentioned here. 1 2 3 4 6 7 department are mentioned here. Second is eligibility. Before I told you what are the eligibility, These are the eligibility. And what is the application procedure, how to apply for this scholarship? Step 1 is search a supervisor. You should search a supervisor for this scholarship. The second step, send a complete set of application material described below. December, university verify the qualification of applicant. So December to February, only successful candidate may apply for an ADB scholarship through GSP March. And step 5, enroll in September and start their degree course in English. So application material, I told you what are the application material. You can check it out here. Every June the application form are updated to September enrollment for the following here. A application form, you can visit here, click here, you check it out and download application form. The second is official academic transcript or attested photocopy from the institute of your previous attendant. Official certificate for the graduation or attested photocopy from the institute of your previous attendant. So the third, D2 confidential letter for the recommendation. Please prepare all the documents in English. You should prepare all the documents in English. Where to send? This is the complete address of that university. You should send to this address. Phone number given, email address given, room number is given, complete address is the here mentioned. Submission due. Application must arrive at international liaison office no later than December 10. You should send them before December 10. Otherwise your application will not be acceptable due to that late. So these are some questions asked from by the university. The answer are also mentioned. If you follow these answers, then you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. The question asking that I am over 35-year-old. Have you institution has been designed by ADB to accept senior who are over 35-year-old? So the answer is here is no. GPC is not allowed to recommend any candidate who are over 35-year-old, because this scholarship is demanding only 35-year-olds. If you are above than 35-year-old, then you are not eligible to this scholarship. These are the questions are mentioned and also the answer are mentioned here. So you can read these questions. The second question, I would like to enroll in doctoral course. May I apply for ADB JPS? The answer is also no. ADB JPS is decided not to provide their scholarship to doctoral course student. If you would like to pursue PhD degree, we recommend you to apply a max scholarship or embassy recommendation. The first contact is Japanese embassy in your country. If you are willing to apply for PhD degrees, so you must contact embassy where your country, the Japanese embassy, you should contact there for that scholarship. Does the ADB JPS also cover my dependent? No, the ADB JPC is only a scholarship covers the scholar only. It will cover only your scholarship and will provide fees and provide accommodation. So these are some questions. The answer is also given. You should follow this question. You should prepare your all documents and send it the same address. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Baloch Scholarship Corner and click bell icon button to get more information about scholarship.